Our target is to ensure that within the next 4 years, we're able to close this meter gap completely. And I believe that this will happen. That is acquiring an average of 2 million meters on a yearly basis, and is backed this up with adequate funds. It will happen, I promise you, so that every household will have meter, so that when they receive their bill, they are happy to pay the bill. We want to put a stop to estimated billing. It is not acceptable. It is not transparent. It is not objective, and it is not fair in any manner. When you have estimated billing, someone is cheating someone. Is either the disco is cheating the people, or the people are cheating the disco, or someone, maybe the staff of the disco, are cheating both the people and the disco. You must have meter to have transparent measurement of electricity consumption, and we are promising it. And those people that bypass meters, and those people that do illegal connections, once they are caught, they will face the wrath of the law. That's the only way we can actually ensure consistent, improved power supply. I think I will need to stop here. I want to thank everybody that listened to us. We have our roles to play. Power supply improvement is not the role of the minister alone. It's not the role of TCN alone, or the REA, or the DISCO. It's our joint responsibility. I pray that please play your role. I promise you that I'm going to play my role. And during my time, we are going to witness improved power supply in Nigeria. Thank you, Honorable
Thank you, Honorable Minister. What the minister did not mention when he was speaking about the visit of IBC to him, that we had the fact that the IBC visited at the time when we had a little bit of hot storm in Ogbomoso, when we didn't know where the pendulum was going to swing. And he still had the logo of Ogbomoso at heart. He visited. He was still working for Ogbomoso at that period. But we thank God IBC is there today. And I know that they will develop Ogbomoso very soon. And it has started. I will hand over and take the microphone to the Prime Commissioner of IBC to him now for his response.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. At least one thing is, you feel that politicians always, that there are some politicians that put their word. So it's not always politicians that put their word. I want to say that is greatly appreciated. Because we promise you will see to this by December. So we really want to say, really appreciate all of yourself. Power is a major problem in this country, but it's a major problem in Ogbomoso. And Ogbomoso is the second largest city in this state. And it's very unfortunate that at times we don't have light for a whole day at times. Maybe they do it for 30 minutes. And there is no way there can be a development in this time when power is unavailable. So even someone can sell hope or ice water, because there's no light. When you don't put up the generator to sell, how much are you making to be able to do that? So just the basic trade, like hairdresser, a tailor, a lot of things uses power. And so once it's not existing, we will just be gathering people who are poor. One of the things I made up my mind is that I'm not going to be a king over all. And the number one thing is to get this power. Because Ogbomoso people are entrepreneurs. They are not lazy. They are traders. And what we need to do is to give them the right environment for them to be able to do this. And I found out that the number one thing is power. I also want to say thank you to you because the day you saw me was not always convenient. It was you were at the retreat that you promised and you came out to me. And I want to promise you that we will give you all the support that you need to make this a reality. There were a couple of things we said, which we also have thought about. Then the people came from Ghana Disco. They made it clear that no, they didn't come from Ghana Disco, but they were going to work in Ghana Disco. That for them to invest in transmission, transformers, and all of those things, that we have to guarantee X number of meters. And of course, they talked about the meter, people bypassing the meter. One thing I can tell you is that those two things, because of the price and a lot of these things, I don't want to say the way we are planning to make sure we guide against that. And we just hope that the police will cooperate with us when we catch them. Because when there is no penalty, that's why people do all of these things. But we will tell you that we will guide against it and we will fish out the people who are bypassing, people who are stealing, because we have a system in place how we are going to be able to arrest that situation. You understand? I am excited that you came because that means our days of mystery, of this darkness, is at least there's light at the end of this tunnel. That's it. I appreciate you with all the number of stuff that you have had. But you didn't say to us that where you went to, whether they are back trying to fix it, whether the contractors are back. I think you didn't say whether they are. All right. Whether they are back, because that's very, very important. And thank you for the access that you have given to us. Because every time I call you pick up the call. Because, like I said, this is not bashing politicians. A lot of politicians don't pick up their calls again when they get to this position. But it shows us that you have the heart to make sure that your ministry works and bringing all these people to Ogbomoso and to all the different places and making your state a priority. It tells us the interest you have in this state. And whatever you believe in God for, we will be praying along with you. And I believe that if we can do this for this time, I don't know about the law, but if we can do this for Ogbomoso, we will forever be grateful. We will forever be grateful to you. Because what you will have done is that you have literally lifted us out of poverty that is prevalent in this town. Even people who want to work, you can't have any industry. Your time spending I spend about 30,000 to 35,000 for electricity in my house. That's not sustainable. You understand? And then we will have an industry industry and spending so much power. So all the industries that Ogbomoso has the potential of have been taken to other areas, especially in London. And so what we want is that we want our people who are normally entrepreneurs and hardworking people. Ogbomoso is a land of warriors. You understand? And I don't mean warriors as military. The warriors in achieving whatever they set in life. So they have a concrete spirit. That's why you find that everywhere you have Ogbomoso, scattered all over the world, they are always excelling in place wherever they are. And we want them to excel in their town. The people are being loyal to this town. Electricity is the number one issue. If there's no nightlife, so you hardly see young people who can go out, you understand, at night and all of this. So by 9 o'clock at night, it's like a ghost house, you understand, because there's no light. And these solar lights that you spoke about, I know that Olaoye is a politician, but I hope you give us more in this in the town. You understand? Yes. Yes. So we can have light. Even if you don't have light inside your house, if you have light outside on the street, it will change things. And I pray that God will work with any of us in that place of life. All I just want to say thank you so much. And I really, really, really appreciate it. What I want to say, thank you. And just the hope that your coming has given me, you wouldn't even believe it. You understand that all of these things we want to do for this town, they are all based on light. Without power, there's no power. Everything we want to do is very good. And I believe that the president knew that we are an achiever because we anticipated to show that we are an achiever. And so we put you in a place that is a crisis point in this country. And I know that I believe that you'll be able to. But I think you have the right step to do it. I can't wait for the next 4 years to see the transformation that will happen. Thank you very much.
God bless you. Thank you very much, sir. And I thank you for those kind words. The Almighty Allah continue to guide your steps and do your time for good in the Ogbomoso land. For the contractors, which you mentioned, I need to tell you that the contractor that did the substation is around. Actually, the catalog, I think, is around. The substation is completed. Am I right? The end is completed, and the contractor is ready to energize it. But the transmission lines go all of the problems, and I've had a meeting with the MD of TC, and we have considered 2 options because it will not be in the interest of the project, not to sack the contractor completely because we paid him some reasonable amounts, but we want him to work with another contractor that already has all the items and materials required. Yes. So we bring the two of them together. We will invite a meeting on how we can award this contract, the new contractor, and we will work with the existing contractor. They need a number of towers and power cables. The turnaround time for importing all these things is not less than 6 months if he has to import them afresh. But there's a contractor that has all those things already stocked in the port. It's just to clear them and start work so that within 4 to 6 months they will complete the transmission lines and can energize the software. That was the meeting I had with the MD, and he promised me that he's going to make it to work. All I want to do is to take my eyes there and see the substation for myself and also see the transmission lines. The only support you can also give us is to accelerate the right of way. The way the people building under the transmission lines routes so that they can leave the place. And then we started paying some compensation. Yes, whatever is left in the paid as compensation, I will ensure that it is made available so that they can leave the space and us to erect the transmission line. That's about all we have. But for the rural electrification, the solar mini grids and microgrids, the solar home systems, and solar street lights, we are starting immediately. In fact, before I leave today, my last point of call, in fact, I'm supposed to have two, is at Adapila, the end of REA, we have a solar mini grid there that I'm going to commission in Adapila, Orire local government. Today, we have about 27 of them in Oyo State. They just want to use that as a symbolic commissioning. We can't possibly go around to commission everything. So we'll continue working on the rural electrification while we ensure there is an accelerated completion of the transmission lines. Obviously, in no time, we'll energize this substation. And Ogbomoso will not know that place again. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the time you have given us. I will call on my brother, my friend, Olaoye to give a vote of thanks.
Bí o sí o, adúgbò lórí bàtà rẹ lẹ́sẹ̀, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, my fathers, my mother, my leaders, and my ultimate leader, I greet you, the Minister of Power. We appreciate you for coming to our town. We thank you, and we look forward to your promises. Like the Kabisi said, Ogbomoso, we are warriors. We are warriors. Just to give us the tools to work. I want to give us the tools. We assure you, I will not disappoint you. You've given a lot of things to the Kabisi. You've told him a lot of things that you did. I assure you, he's a working man. You've seen the little things he has done since his ascension of this throne. So I assure you that the security, all the people down the lines, is capable of doing it. So please, we hold you to your words that you will do what you've said. And by the grace of God, we will not disappoint you in this Ogbomoso. Thank you once again for bringing out the renewed hope of our president. Because we know what we are doing is in line with the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, which he has promised us to move Nigeria forward in all ramifications, including power. And power is very essential to us in this nation. Because like Kabisi said, that's the number one thing. I don't have coke, not selling coke, selling what do they need? Today's fuel price? No, we need light. So we thank Mr. President for choosing a vibrant man like you, like Mr. Kabisi said, that he knows that that's the crisis point. So he has put you there, that he knows that you can help him in achieving this renewed goal. Thank you once again, Honorable Minister. And thank you, Kabisi. Once again, it's an honor to be in your presence.
Wait. Sorry.
Speaker can join us. Speaker, this side, Prof.
Yes, ma'am. Let's move back, sir. Please, let's move back. Let's move back. Let's sorry.
Not enter your shot.
Thank you.
Honorable.
Thank you.